Very good afternoon, friends. This is Commander Sudhir Kumar. I am speaking from SBSH's digital channel, and this is my fourth talk. Today, I am going to talk about the emerging challenges which private security agencies are encountering. You know that this coronavirus challenge had been unprecedented. It was never thought of by any organizations or scientists or doctors or anyone on this earth. It was all of a sudden. And I am not going to go into details whose mistake it is, how it has spreaded. There are different theories going on in media, but I must concentrate that this new challenge is to be dealt with private security agencies, and it is a must to encounter. This has certainly become an issue of risk management for the private security agencies, because even post COVID-19, this sort of a fear or the challenge is going to be there wherever security personnel are deployed. Dear friends, security professionals and private security agencies, let me say that it is not only a medical emergency, but it is going to be an economic emergency as well. That's why when it is a personal medical issue also, that security personnel, how they have contributed during this last 45 days of COVID-19 or lockdown period. Let me congratulate private security agencies that overnight, when lockdown was announced, even during rehearsal itself on 22nd March, maximum private security agencies paid attention to it, and they had given training to their security personnel. And security officers, chief security officers of the organization, they were alert, and they have bought thermal sensors, or rather in few organizations they have gone for installation of thermal sensing CCTV cameras as well. By virtue of that, it was an extra challenge for the private security agencies that during lockdown period, at entry and exit points, being an essential services, the part of maintenance of essential services in India, the private security agencies have done a commendable job. Overnight, the security personnel at entry gates, they were carrying out the thermal sensing of people, those were coming and attending the offices. Secondly, they were making sure that everyone is putting on mask. They were washing hands at the entry point, and they were using sanitizer for it. And after that, they were ensuring that Arogya Setu app is downloaded by each personnel who was entering inside the campus, because he has to give that location, that from where he is coming and where he is staying. All these issues he has to answer. So this challenge, very swiftly the private security agencies have been able to cater to it, and very successfully in maximum of organizations without affecting themselves, because it was that the private security agencies were having that they should not get contaminated or get affected by this virus, but side by side making sure that no one affected should enter in a particular organization. So this challenge was huge, and the way private security agencies have dealt it, definitely I must congratulate them, and I am sure in future also they will be doing much more. That now they have got skilled, and we can do the further skilling once we come out from COVID-19, because this is an issue that it is not going to go away in a short while. It is going to stay with us. We have to understand, we have to live with this, and this medical emergency associated with economic emergency is going to be a challenge, and the private security agencies are going to contribute into the productivity of organizations everywhere, wherever, whether it is educational institution, any industry, hotels, or any other walk of life. Now, during COVID-19, the another challenge which is coming is that the cyber threats have increased multi-folds. So wherever private security agencies do take care of the cyber defense of that particular organizations, they have to be extra vigilant and see to it right from access point to intelligence gathering and having an information about the background of personnel so that the enemy is not there, which could pose a cyber threat to a particular organization. So this is an extra challenge the private security agencies have to deal with it. Though this job is of CISO, that is the Chief Information Security Officer, but many organizations are not having CISO, they are having only CSO, and IT teams manage their information technology department, or they are having an IT help desk which deals with emails and their social media platforms, like how the internet continuity remains there. So in such organizations, the private security agency professionals have to contribute that how cyber threats along with COVID-19 could be contained, minimized and managed efficiently. I am sure every challenge comes with an opportunity. So it is an unprecedented challenge as well as unprecedented an opportunity for the private security agencies, and I am sure that private security agencies and private security professionals will certainly deal with it confidently, efficiently, and will contribute towards the productivity of organizations and nation. Jai Hind.